These strange, beautiful forms aren't AI-generated images. These are actual physical objects made with 3D printing, a technology that's reshaped art, design, engineering, and really our sense of what's possible. Hi, I'm Michael Molicho. I've spent more than a decade documenting the world of additive manufacturing for 3dprint.com, Forbes.com, and other publications across the industry. I've seen how this technology has grown from an experimental tool to a standard method for making things around the world. And a big part of that movement began right here on Kickstarter. Early desktop printers didn't come from giant corporations. They came from people who believed in a different way of making things, and the backers who helped bring those tools into the world. Those printers democratized creation, kicking open the door for artists, architects, engineers, and designers to invent forms no one had ever seen before. Now I'm turning to Kickstarter to make something I still haven't seen. A large format art book that captures the most extraordinary designs that could only be realized with 3D printing. My book, titled Impossible Works, will document everything from sculpture, fashion, and architecture to industrial parts, medical breakthroughs, and even 3D printed food. Impossible Works will feature hundreds of images from creators around the world, and a narrative that ties their work into the larger cultural story of additive manufacturing. It's a project I've wanted to make for years, but art books like this are expensive. Large pages, heavy paper, photography rights. Publishers need proof of real demand before they commit to a print run. That's where Kickstarter comes in. Backing this project does two things. It funds a high-quality first edition, and it demonstrates that this community wants a serious art book on 3D printing. There are a few ways to support the project. There's the digital edition, the Kickstarter exclusive hardcover edition, and a founder's edition with personalized 3D printed cover. There are bundles for studios, classrooms, and companies as well. When early desktop printers launched, backers chose to support something that completely reshaped the creative landscape. This book is about what that choice enabled. If you want to see this history preserved, celebrated, and shared, I'd love your help. Please back the project, spread the word, and help make Impossible Works possible. Thank you.
I'm Pete Zielinski. My friend Michael Molichow is raising support for a book on 3D printed art. I want to support the work. I am very much looking forward to this book. And if you're intrigued by this project, I hope you'll consider giving your support as well. Thank you.